Ciao food lover, I'm Federico Meschino, behind the camera Sharuna Palenis. Welcome to CookCast. You want to see how to prepare this amazing bollettos risotto and have a trip with us in a forest? Come with me. To get alive our dry bollettos, we add those in room temperature water. Keep the mushroom in the water for 30 minutes and then we use the water few spoons to give amazing flavor to our risotto. First step, put some cube of butter in the freezer. Squeeze out the water from the mushroom very well. Cut a bit the mushroom in easy way. Mushroom and butter in. On the heat, medium high, and let's start, guys. The smell sharp, so good, mamma mia! Don't overcook the mushroom, could be bitter. Rice time, roast it for a couple of minutes very well. When the rice change color like this, it's time to add a really good glass of white wine. You remember that beautiful mushroom water? Now we need, filter it. It will give us amazing flavor. Now comes the time of vegetable broth. Prepare yourself or buy as you like. Remember to go up to the level of the rice with the broth. And keep the broth boiling all the time. And now let's chop some good parsley for the end. As usual, lovely and bubbly. Parmigiano like a snow. Mountain of cheese. Don't forget to turn your risotto. Closer you are, better will be. For no reason, never leave alone your risotto. After 16 minutes, turn off the heat. Add the frozen butter, all the Parmigiano, with no fear, guys, and the parsley. And now comes the moment that I love. Sound of love for all the food lovers. Stir the rice very well before to serve it. No heat, butter, Parmigiano and parsley in. And this is the movie that you must do. Or you can do in this way. But I love to jump. At this point, try the rice, some touch of pepper, and stir for a few minutes more. Looks so good and smell amazing. Wow. There is forest flavor. Time to get a plate and serve your risotto when it's still hot. It looks fantastic. Guys, this is amazing. Bit more, like this. Make it flat a bit. Touch of pepper. Little touch of extra virgin olive oil. And we are going straight to the forest. Finally came my moment. It's time for testing. It looks delicious. As I said, a trip in the forest. Fantastico! Guarda che spettacolo! È uno spettacolo, raga! Fantastico!